This band, preparing for a march, marked the beginning of the event. Off they marched around Hargeisa city, publicizing the event. The trade fair was officially opened by His Excellency Suleiman Mohammed Suleiman, the Somaliland Minister of Industry and Energy and Chairman of the Energy Trade Fair Organizing Committee. To grace this occasion too was the Programs Officer of ADRA UK, Mr. James Shepley, Programs Director of ADRA Somalia, Ms. Hannah Ndungu, among other distinguished officials and exhibitors. The main objective of the trade fair was to create awareness on technologies, innovations and initiatives on energy that are relevant to the people of Somaliland. Specifically, the trade fair aimed to provide a platform of major local players to share ideas, interact and foster linkages among themselves, and to create a linkage between international and local players in terms of technology transfer and business opportunities. A total of 26 exhibitors participated in the trade fair, 5 of whom were international exhibitors. The trade fair came at an opportune time as it showcased to the Somaliland people different technologies which are affordable and will help reduce the over-reliance on biomass fuels, which are used by over 80% of the country's population. It is estimated that a total of 1,000 participants attended the trade fair, and they were drawn from government agencies, utilities, local and international NGOs, research and academic institutions, the business community, environmental specialists, and the general public. A one-day conference was also held concurrently with the trade fair at the same venue on 27th October 2008, with a theme on meeting the challenges in providing energy services for reconstruction. Presentations were made in 5 selected thematic areas of energy policy and planning, renewable energy applications, energy issues for the future, natural resource conservation and utilization, and business entrepreneurship. The Energy Trade Fair will be an annual event.
Energy is a cross-cutting theme of ADRA Somalia's programming. Interventions aimed at enhancing the use of renewable energy resources and the equitable development of the energy sector has been high on ADRA Somalia's agenda, and the agency boasts great achievements in terms of energy sector accomplishment. Since ADRA began implementing energy programs over 10 years ago, thousands of Somali nationals have benefited from these programs. Clean water supply has been improved due to the use of wind pumps. Access to education has been improved due to the use of solar photovoltaics to light up classes in the evenings. Access to health services at night is now possible due to the installation of solar photovoltaics, which can now light up the clinics at night. Increase in the usage of alternative energies has minimized consumption of forest resources like firewood and charcoal, hence ensuring environmental sustainability. Moreover, alternative energies have greatly reduced indoor air pollution caused by biomass fuel.
It will be one of the most effective way of using energy in this country, because our people are mostly nomads and they live in faraway places, far from the urban cities, and they require energy which also affects their major resources and whatever monies they have. They always need kerosene and oil and spare parts and all this and generators. So we want to go off of this line and start the solar and wind energy now in this country.
ADRA Somalia has also worked directly with ADRA International through supporting the health centers, and this was done through installation of solar lanterns and other facilities. And it is worth noting that the health centers that have been supported by ADRA International through this program, they have been able to access light. Women have been able to be supported through medical attention in the evening, and women are able even to deliver at night, something that was not being done before, because they would rely so much on local birth attendants. But through the installation of solar systems, they are able to get support in the evening. So I believe the direction ADRA Somalia is taking, together with its partners, ADRA UK, ADRA International, and other players, and the donors as well, it's going to make a difference to the communities who are in really need of promoting energy within their own sectors, because it's going to support them through poverty alleviation. ADRA Somalia hopes to reduce the harsh effects of climate change by carrying out projects in renewable energy technologies such as solar, improved cookstoves, improved institutional cookstoves, as well as other forms of renewable energy technologies. And this will go a long way in mitigating the effects of climate change. Fragile countries like Somalia should be considered in global climate change initiatives, since these are the most vulnerable to these effects.